Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow your hair out naturally. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorite hair growth treatments, and it has one of my favorite herbs, and you don't want to miss out. This treatment is very effective. So to begin, the first ingredient we're going to be using is rosemary. So rosemary is very important or very beneficial for hair growth. If you've been on this channel before, I've used this quite a number of times. Rosemary helps to improve the hair thickness and hair growth. It has the ability to improve cellular generation. It suits each scalp. It can even be used to treat androgenetic alopecia. Next up is my all-time favorite, which is going to be dried hibiscus flower. Hibiscus is one of those herbs that works wonders for the hair, and the results are very evident. They have naturally occurring amino acids that help to provide the hair with nutrients that can help in promoting hair growth. It's also known to contain a special kind of structural protein called keratin, which is a building block of hair. And keratin helps to make the hair less prone to breakage and promotes overall thickness of the hair. Hibiscus flower helps to condition the hair, and sometimes research has suggested the use of hibiscus for regrowing hair. It also treats dandruff, itchy scalp, can help to maintain the pH balance of the hair. So right now I just transferred both herbs into a jar, and I added some hot water to it, and I'm just going to stir that up, and then I'm going to cover it up and set it aside. And you don't want to cover that up when it's still piping hot. You have to wait until it cools down before you cover it up. And I'm going to set it aside for about 12 to 24 hours, and after that, this is how it looks. It has infused in the water, and it has this very rich dark red color. So this is how it looks. Let me just bring it up close so you can see. It has a very beautiful color. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and move to the next step, which is to strain out the tea. And I'm going to use my strainer to just strain out the tea because we do not need all the other residue in our hair. So yeah, if you like, you can go ahead and reinfuse the leftovers, because I believe you can still get some more tea from that. And yeah, so when I'm done, this is how it's gonna look. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this into my applicator or my spray bottle for easy application. Yeah, so it smells so amazing. Like, if you've used rosemary before, the smell is so beautiful, and together with this, the spray just smells so amazing. And it's very, very potent for hair growth, hair regrowth. It also helps to color the hair or dye the hair naturally. So those of you having gray hair, hibiscus can go a long way to darken your gray hairs, as well as strengthen your hair. So yeah, this is how beautiful it looks. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my hair and scalp. So my hair is in twist and is washed and clean, and I'm just going to go ahead now and spritz this tea on my scalp and massage that in, and then I'm going to go to the length of my hair. So you want to focus on the scalp because that's where the hair grows from, and you want to make sure that all the ingredients or the nutrients in the tea are able to penetrate your scalp, because a healthy scalp is equals to a healthy hair. So you want to keep your scalp very healthy because that's where your hair obviously grows from. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my hair and to my scalp and to the length of my hair, and just continue to work that into my hair until that section is saturated. So yeah, I apply this spray every day. I do spray my hair with this every day, and yeah, it's a daily treatment if you have the time to, but just take note that this stains a lot, so you want to allow your hair to dry before going to bed, so don't apply it too late. So just spritz your hair and let it sit for a while. So yeah, you can apply this after washing your hair. You spritz it and apply your leave-in conditioner and your oils. It works amazingly. So yeah, you can see it giving my hair that reddish color. If you were to have gray hair, it's just going to darken that up. So this tea works so amazingly. The two ingredients are very amazing for hair growth. If you've heard of them before, they work amazingly individually, and together they are a bomb. So you don't want to miss out on this daily tea treatment, on this herbal tea for your hair and scalp. So this tea helps to stimulate hair growth. It conditions the hair. It prevents baldness and excessive shedding. It helps to treat dandruff, itchy scalp, and just any other scalp infections. It prevents premature graying. So yeah, it works so amazingly, and hibiscus helps to regrow your hair. So for those of you who have dormant hair follicles, like some parts of your hair might just be dormant or doesn't grow enough hair, this can actually help to regrow that area, to stimulate growth in that area. So hibiscus will really help to grow your hair. So yeah, this is how I apply it, and then just twist my hair up. You can see the conditioning properties already showing. Look at my ends, how moisturized they look. So yeah, this treatment is so amazing for healthy and stronger hair. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you've used these ingredients together or you've used them individually or separately. Let me know how you liked it or didn't like it, which I know you're going to like it. But yeah, if you haven't yet used them before, you want to consider using them on your hair. It's very necessary. For those of you who have been on my channel from day one, you can tell that my hair has improved. I don't have the thickest hair, but my hair is not the way it used to be. So yeah, comparing my hair to my hair, there's a great improvement, and I can testify that these herbs really work. So yeah, when I'm done, I just massage my hair and then we are done. And this is how it looks. You just want to let your hair dry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.